Hi everyone, my name is Nicko. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new partition in Windows 10. Step 1. You can do this by pressing Windows key and R. Typing this mg_empty.msg and press OK. And then okay. And then locate the drive that you want to create new partition on. Example, I choose this, and then click shrink volume. Second, and then enter the amount of space that you want to shrink the volume. Example, I want to I choose 10,000 in megabyte. Okay, click shrink. Nah, right click the unlocated space and click new simple volume. Follow the on-screen instruction. Next, 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 and then you can change the name. Example data. Okay, and then next, finish. Okay, and then you can check. Okay. Yes. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.